Hello, I'm Matt Joblin and welcome to Wall Street Connected, the show that highlights what Wall Street's finest are researching online. Today we're going to talk about a clinical stage biotechnology company based in Pennsylvania, Ocugen. The biopharma firm, established in 2013, focuses on discovering, developing and commercializing transformative therapies to treat blindness diseases. Not only do they produce a modified gene therapy that treats multiple retinal diseases with one drug, but are also developing a novel biological candidate that targets patients with diseases such as wet age-related macular degeneration, diabetic macular edema, and diabetic retinopathy. Despite being a no-product company, Ocugen recently generated market attention with news about a collaboration with the Indian company Bharat Biotech that will bring the latter's COVID-19 vaccine to the United States. The details revealed that Ocugen appointed a scientific advisory board to evaluate the clinical and regulatory path to approval in the United States market for Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. The company's vaccine candidates have shown promise not only on the main strain of COVID-19, but also on mutations that have been popping up, which gives Ocugen a place at the top table as the vaccine agenda evolves. That said, Ocugen closed 2020 up and around 300% year-on-year, with a market cap close to $300 million following a late December surge in the share price. Reflecting the vaccine news, our proprietary search tracking tool, Trackstar IQ, showed that 112 institutional Wall Street investors researched the stock 214 times over the last 7 days. Taking a look at the firm's latest quarterly results, Ocugen's cash equivalents and restricted cash totaled $19.3 million as of September 30, 2020, compared to $7.6 million the year before. Further details show that Ocugen reported a 7-cent loss per share for the 3 months ending September 30th, 2020 versus a $3.55 loss per share during the same period in 2019. Vaccines look likely to be a big theme in 2021, so it's worth keeping this stock on your watch list. That's all we have time for this week, but as usual, make sure you do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/Trackstar.